Hello guys, everybody welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to help me create more content. Make sure to like, share and comment below so you can let me know what you think. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make people follow you on Facebook. This trick will help you to gain followers, will attract people to follow you back. So first thing first, without any further ado, open up your Facebook. Is what you do, and then after that you go to your official account, press your account there, and then as you can see right there, I don't have any followers yet, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this. What you do is click on edit public details, and then you scroll down until you find this at the bottom links. You press add, and wait for it to load, and then social link, you add social link. Platform, then you choose Spotify. So after you chose Spotify, on the username you simply write followed by a million people, This will actually make people be interested in following because they will think that you have a huge following, so it will actually help out. So just wait for it to load, then press save. Just press save. This will actually appear on your profile. When somebody likes your profile, it will show this. Just wait, you will see. Just now go back and refresh your account. Just refresh it. As you can see right there on the details, followed by a million people. So guys, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below so you can let me know what you think.